See this question. 9 into 18 centimeter fluted rollers means 9 is the number of tubes and 18 is the spacing between 18 centimeter is the spacing between the two successive tubes. Means whenever it is written like 9 into 18 or 6 into 15 something like that, it is written, don't be confused that this is area is given, it is simply the width is given. So you should understand it. 9 into 18 means 9 number of tubes and 18 is the width spacing, means spacing between two tubes. So total width is 9 into 18 centimeter and the germination rate is 85% and the ground wheel dia is 40 centimeter and the it is saying that 10 kg of seed was collected from the seed tubes for 10 rotations of ground wheel and 1000 seeds weight is equal to 42 grams and it is asking to determine the seed rate and plant density. Friends, I have told you about the germination rate. Germination rate is simply the how much plants are germinated divided by the total number of seeds put in that area. Here the germination rate is 85%. Suppose that we have sown 100 seeds in the field, then only 85 is the total number of plants that will come out. Means total we have a loss of 15 seeds. Now friends, first thing you should do that calculate the area. Friends, for calculating the area you need length into breadth. So width is equal to 9 into 18 centimeter and length is equal to pi d n. Friends, here n is given, that is 10 rotations of ground wheel. So n is 10 and pi is given and d is 40 centimeter. So convert it into hectare. So divide it by 10 to the power 4. And friends, this much amount of area will cover 210 kg of 210 grams of seed. Means when the implement will cover this much amount of area, then we are getting 210 grams of seed. आपको ये चीजें समझनी है. You can't find proper formula for solving the seed drills or planters questions. You have to analyze the things what is happening here. So I will make my videos very slowly and try to analyze each and everything to you. Now friends, you can calculate the seed rate. Means seed rate is simply the amount of seed per hectare of land. So 0.210 kg of seed is covered in this much area. So divide the area with the amount of seed. So you can get the seed rate is 103.16. Friends, the very easy way to calculate the seed rate is go by its unit and dimension. Unit is simply kg per hectare. So you should put the weight of seeds in the denominator and the area of land in the denominator. So it is going to be 103.16 kg per hectare. Now friends, it is given in the question 42 grams of seed is equal to 1000 seeds. Means 1000 seeds weight is 42 grams. So for calculating, you should calculate the total number of seeds in 103.16 kg. So friends, in 103.16 kg, you should multiply it by 1000 and divide it by 0.0042. So you will get 245,619.0.476 seeds per hectare. Means in 1 hectare you will get this much amount of seeds. But friends, what is the germination rate? Germination rate is simply the ratio of total plant grown divided by the total seed sown. So this much amount of seed we have sown. So number of plants is equal to seeds into germination rate. So you can get the number of plants. That is very big term. So you should understand it. So this much amount of plant per hectare, but when you convert it into meter square divided by 10 to the power 4, so you can get the answer, that is 208.7. Friends, this question is very easy if you understand this question. So for understanding this question, don't think that any formula or any theory will help you. Only your understanding and your common sense will help you to solve these questions and in the examination also. So these all are GATE previous year questions. Sorry, I have not mentioned the years. So once again I will repeat it. Here आपने जो किया है, सबसे पहले आपने एरिया कैलकुलेट किया है और इतना एरिया में हमें 210 ग्राम्स ऑफ सीड मिल रहे हैं. मीन्स हमने जो एरिया कवर किया है उस एरिया में हमें 210 ग्राम्स ऑफ सीड मिल रहे हैं. उससे हमने सीड रेट कैलकुलेट कर लिया और फिर हमने देखा कि 42 ग्राम मतलब 1000 सीड्स जो है उसकी वेट है 42 ग्राम्स. सो 103.16 kg ऑफ सीड की वेट कितनी होगी हमने वो कैलकुलेट कर लिया. और हमने सीड कैलकुलेट कर लिया तो जर्मिनेशन रेट गिवन है, जिससे हमने टोटल कितने प्लांट हमारे बाहर आएंगे. फ्रेंड्स, जर्मिनेशन रेट होता है कि हमारे कितने हमें प्लांट बाहर आए और कितने हमने सीड डाले, उसका रेशियो होता है. सपोज हम एक फील्ड में 100 सीड्स डालते हैं लेकिन उसमें केवल 85 ही प्लांट ग्रो हो पाते हैं. जैसे आप लोगों ने सुना होगा फार्मर्स बहुत ज़्यादा सीड डालते हैं फील्ड में, बट प्लांट ग्रो होते हैं कम. मतलब जितना सीड डालते हैं उससे कम ही प्लांट ग्रो हो पाते हैं. तो इसे ही अपन जर्मिनेशन रेट बोलते हैं. सो जर्मिनेशन रेट से अपन ने नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स कैलकुलेट कर लिया. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, सी दिस क्वेश्चन. Here also based upon the previous question concept only. Friends, these questions don't need any theory. These questions only need your observations and visualization. So you should analyze the question, what is happening. If you are not able to analyze in one time, don't be panic that I am not able to get the answers or not able to solve the question. Once you develop your observation skill, then you are able to solve these questions. These questions are similar to the probability questions. There also you don't need any formula, you need only observations. Here also you need only observations. So friends, see that 9 into 20 centimeter planter was used for sowing the seed having weight of 1000 seeds. Weight is 50 gram and 2 seeds are dropped in each wheel and spacing is 10 centimeter. So determine the seed rate. Friends, here you should, first thing you should do that calculate the width of seed planter, that is 9 into 20 centimeter, and the spacing is also given 10 centimeter, so you multiply with 10 also, you can get the area. Now friends, when you got the area, you can see that 1000 seeds weight is 50 grams. So one seed weight is 50 by 1000. 1000 seeds है, उसकी weight 50 ग्राम है, तो एक seed की weight कितनी होगी, तो 50 by 1000. And then friends, what is the weight of 18 seeds? So 18 seeds weight is 50 by 1000 into 18, that is 0.9 grams. Friends, I have told you in previous question also, 9 into 20 means 9 is the number of tubes and 20 is the spacing between two successive tubes. So number of tubes is 9 here. So the seeds are dropped from the tube only, and here in the question it has said that 2 seeds are dropped in each heel. Means 2 seeds are dropped from each tube. एक ट्यूब से हमारा 2 seeds गिरेंगी और टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीड्स है हमारा 9. मीन्स द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीड्स दैट विल कम आउट इज 9 into 2, that is 18. मीन्स 18 number of seeds will drop out from the planter. Means 9 into 20, here 9 is the number of tubes. So you can get the weight of seed, that is 0.9 grams. And friends, now the area we have calculated, that is 9 into 20 into 10, and we have got the weight of seed, that is 0.9. So you should calculate the seed rate, that is weight of seed divided by the area covered. Friends, area you convert it into hectare and the weight of seed you convert it into kg. this calculations is very easy. If you know the unit dimension, you can convert 0.9 grams into kg by dividing it with 1000, and the area also by dividing by 10 to the power 4 you will get in hectare. You will do the calculation, your answer is 50 kg per hectare. Now friends, you see the next question. Here it is saying that vertical rotor type planter with 30 centimeter disc diameter and having 20 cells in the periphery, and I is the ratio of rotor wheel to the ground wheel, that is 1:2, and the diameter of ground wheel is 45 centimeter. And friends, you see this question. Once again I will tell you, for solving such type of question you don't need any formula or anything, you only need your visualization power, so you should focus on that only. Friends, here you can see that a planter is given which has 30 centimeter is the rotor disc diameter and 20 cells are present in the periphery, and 45 centimeter is the ground wheel diameter and 3.6 kilometer per hour is the forward speed, and it is asking about the seat to seat distance and the rotor RPM. And friends, the most important thing is given here, that is I, means the ratio of RPM of rotor divided by the ratio of divided by the RPM of ground wheel, that is 1:2. What does this means, friends? Means when the rotor will rotate one time, then the ground wheel will rotate two times. This is the simple meaning of this. Means suppose हमने रोटर को एक बार रोटेट किया तो ग्राउंड व्हील हमारा दो बार रोटेट होगा, इसकी यही मीनिंग होती है. एंड फ्रेंड्स, you understand about the rotor. What is rotor, friends? Here I am going to tell you very important concept, so you should listen it very carefully. Our rotor is present in the planter or seed drill. When it will rotate one times, then one seed is dropped from each of the tube or each of the cell. Means when our rotor will rotate one times, then each of the tube present in the planter or each of the cell present in the planter will drop one seed from its tube. Suppose our planter has 9 seeds, 9 tubes or 20 periphery, 20 cells or 20 tubes like that given. Means when we rotate our rotor one times, means 20 seeds are dropped from the planter. Means one seed is dropped from one cell और one seed is dropped from one tube. हमारा एक बार जो रोटेट करेगा ना रोटर, उसमें हमारा एक सीड ड्रॉप होता है हर ट्यूब से और हर सेल से. एक सीड एक बार रोटर को रोटेट करने में. So friends, you should understand it very carefully. Then after you can able to proceed to solve the question. Now friends, here the speed ratio is given 1:2. Means one time our rotor will rotate, then two times our ground wheel will rotate. So here the seed spacing we have to calculate. Friends, seed spacing we are doing on the ground. Means seed spacing is done on the ground. So seed spacing has relationship with the ground wheel, not with the rotor wheel. Means rotor wheel is present inside the seed drill or inside the planter, but the ground wheel will present on the ground. So whenever seed spacing they are asking, you clearly understand that seed spacing we are going to calculate on the basis of ground wheel. So friends, suppose our rotor will rotate one times. Means if it will rotate one times, then the area it is, the length it has covered, that is pi d n. Means pi d n, here n value is 1. Means one time our rotor will rotate, then the area it is then the length it will cover, that is equal to its circumferential length, that is pi d. But friends, when our ground wheel will rotate, when the rotor will rotate one times, then the ground wheel will rotate two times, because the speed ratio is 1:2. आपको अच्छे से समझना है, स्पीड रेशियो जो है हमें 1:2 गिवन है. मीन्स हमारा रोटर 1 टाइम रोटेट करेगा तो हमारा ग्राउंड व्हील 2 टाइम्स रोटेट करेगा. दैट्स वाई फ्रेंड्स, for 1 rotation of rotor the ground wheel rotation is pi d into 2, and friends pi d is the diameter of ground wheel, so pi dg into 2. And friends, if the rotor will rotate 1 times, then total number of cells is given, that is 20 cells. I have told you that if 20 cells is given or 20 tubes are given, means that 20 seeds are dropped from the planter. So when the rotor will rotate 1 times, then the ground will cover the distance, that is pi dg into 2, and then the number of seeds dropped is 20. So pi into dg into 2 is the length, means length of ground will cover in 1 rotation of rotor, and 20 seeds are dropped within this length. Within this लेंथ कवर्ड 20 सीड्स हमें ड्रॉप्ड हुए हैं. सो सीड स्पेसिंग इज सिंपली द लेंथ डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीड्स. सो लेंथ बाय सीड इज इक्वल टू 14.14 centimeter. Friends, is this tough question or easy? It is tough if you are not able to understand the question, but it is very easy if you understand this question, what is happening here actually. This question will open your eyes for solving. You can find so much questions regarding this topic. Every year GATE is asking questions upon these topics, so you should understand these topics very carefully, and once you understand these topics, you just play with these questions. Once again I will repeat it. एक बार हमारे रोटर को रोटेट करने की वजह से हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ जितने भी ट्यूब्स होंगे या जितने भी सेल्स होंगे, सारे सेल्स और ट्यूब से एक एक हमें सीड ड्रॉप होती है. मीन्स अगर 20 सेल्स और 20 ट्यूब्स दिए हुए मीन्स 20 सीड्स ड्रॉप होगी. अगर 9 सेल और 9 ट्यूब्स दिए हुए मीन्स 9 ट्यूब या मीन्स 9 सीड्स हमें ड्रॉप होगी. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी दैट ground wheel speed is simply v is equal to r omega. I think all of you have studied. So r is given. R you can calculate, the diameter is given, so you can calculate the R, and the forward speed is given. Friends, forward speed is given means that it has given the ground wheel speed. So 3.6 km per hour, you convert it into meter per second, and after that you calculate the omega, that is 4.44 radian per second. And friends, all of you know that omega is equal to pi dn. So pi dn, omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. So n you can calculate, that is n of ground wheel, because friends, you are doing the calculation, you have taken the radius of ground wheel and the forward speed is done due to the ground wheel. Friends, rotor wheel is present inside the seed drill or planter. आपको ये चीज अच्छे से याद रखनी है. Whenever they are saying about the rotor or sails or periphery speed, means these all are present inside the planter or seed drill, and the ground wheel diameter, ground wheel speeds are present on the ground. Means spacing, seed spacing, or the amount of area covered per hour, this can be calculated by our ground wheel. So friends, ng you have calculated, means rpm of ground wheel is 42.44 rpm, and after that you can see that the ratio is given, that is speed rpm ratio is 1:2. So rotor rpm is 1/2 of ground wheel rpm, that is 21.21 rpm. Friends, this is all about the seed drill, and later on we will make the videos upon the planters and transplanters. That questions also we will solve in the further videos, so stay connected. And friends, understand each and every questions and analyze. Whenever you see the questions regarding this topic, you can apply simply the questions, and if you are not able to understand in one time, you can go back and once again watch the video, because you have to be very clear with your concepts, then only you are able to solve the questions in the final examination. And friends, many students are doing mistakes that they skip these topics, so don't skip these topics, because GATE every year they are asking questions upon this topic, so you can't skip these topics. If you are aiming for your rank under top 10, means if you are aiming for rank under single digit, then you should don't skip this topic. You should read well. So, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.